everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. So today's video we have an unboxing of a combo kit. I've been doing a bunch of polls both on YouTube and on Twitter, and keyboard mouse combos seems to be where a lot of votes are going. So I went ahead and made this purchase. So this is from the Havit brand, which I've done unboxing videos on before. The keyboard and mouse should be the same as the previous video combo, and then it also has on top of that an additional item in the package. It includes a headset. Now I'm not going to be able to give you a review on how good they are until I've had a chance to test them out, and it'll probably be a couple of months before I have that opportunity. But I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing. Christmas time is coming up. I can tell you from using the keyboard and the mouse, they are both great. They don't have the most options when it comes to the RGB, but they both function great, and I've loved using them. So the mouse and keyboard I highly recommend. This combo includes a headset, which for $43 plus tax is not the most expensive bundle. The Corsair bundle that I've reviewed, or rather done an unboxing video of a couple years ago, that one had no mechanical keyboard, just a membrane keyboard, and that kit was $100. The headset by itself, however, sells for 50 to 60 bucks. This one sells for like $20-ish, and so let's say $45, even though it's 43, but $45 for a mouse, keyboard, and a headset, and the keyboard is mechanical with blue optical switches, makes for a great Christmas gift and a great bundle to have. So hopefully this video will be out in time for you to go shopping still. But let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing and see what we get for our $43 plus tax. So no seals of any kind on the outside. Kind of disappointing in my opinion, only because, like I've said in other videos, it kind of shows you that nothing's been taken out of the box before. And I actually see this cable here is not in the spot that it's supposed to be in. And so that means that it is potentially just that it came loose during shipping, or it's possible that it was a return that somebody gave back. But it includes the mouse, keyboard, and the headset. So let's go ahead and take a peek and see what we get. Now this is the Magic Eagle gaming set from Havit. So the mouse, it is a good fit for my hands, which are a little bit bigger than the average, I think. I'm 6 foot and a little bit on the larger side, so my hands are a little bit on the bigger side. And it fits really nicely in my hand. I've enjoyed using it as my secondary mouse. It has a braided cable, and it is USB, optical mouse, and it has RGB with a button on it that changes the colors and the patterns. It's got RGB here on the emblem, here on the sides, and then here on the scroll wheel. And it's actually pretty decent looking, so I have no problem recommending it. It's a great budget mouse, and in a bundle for under $50, it's definitely worth it. There is a hard plastic keyboard wrist rest. I personally don't use them ever, but if you do, then there's that to think about as well. And then the keyboard, you've got their emblem, you've got your regular lights for things like num lock and caps lock. You've got all your regular keys. Now this keyboard does it in patterns that are pre-assigned with a function key. So you don't get to plug it in and get RGB software, which is disappointing, but for the budget that we're in, it's understandable as well. As you can hear, it is a mechanical keyboard with blue optical switches. They're not the loudest blue optical switches, but they are blue optical. They are decently loud for a budget keyboard this price range. And honestly, you're getting a mechanical keyboard for under 50 bucks, which is insane. Sorry for the noises outside. I live in a busy neighborhood. And then we have a headset. Now it does take an adapter to do it if you've only got the one port, which a lot of the newer cases have only the one port. Some of the older and the newer ones still have the 2 ports for the front audio though. So you can use these 2 for the audio. It's the mic and the sound, and there's a USB port required. The USB port is probably, oh, I don't know. I'll have to test it out and get back to you on what it is. I think there's a little bit of RGB right here on each of the head pieces. And so I think that's why the USB is there, is for the RGB that's got the little shape there. And the audio should be strictly through the other 2 jacks, but I don't know for sure. I'll try and post a little note down across regarding this kit, and that way we can find out whether it has one RGB, and it will not be software dominated, so it'll just be regular RGB on the side. And then the other issue that we'll see is if it requires the USB for the audio or whether it's just for the RGB. So, but anyway, that is a $43 combo, mouse, keyboard, and headset. You really can't beat the price for this type of a combo. So if you are looking for a Christmas gift for somebody else, or if you are looking to spend your Christmas money or birthday money on a combo for yourself, this is a great way to spend $43 plus tax. So I hope that you enjoyed this look at this combo and that it helps you decide whether or not to buy it, whether or not to spend your money on it. It is a cheaper headset, a cheaper mouse, and a cheaper keyboard, but it is a mechanical keyboard. The mouse, keyboard both have RGB for sure. The headset, I believe, has a little bit of RGB on the sides, and you really can't beat $43 and tax for this type of a combo. So if you enjoyed this video, found it entertaining or informational, make sure you hit the like button down below. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button that we have in this general area here, and that way you can keep up to date on our new videos and our community section. And then, as always, if you have any questions about myself, the channel, or the products, make sure that you ask them either down below in the comments section or on Twitter @TowersGrey, and I'll respond as quickly as I can. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day and a happy holiday season. Bye for now.